Okay, we have our utility hose. We're gonna take our pump, which is an automatic starting and stopping pump, and we're gonna unravel this, put the utility hose on here. This is where the water is going to leave the tub. Thread that on. There we go. Just hand tighten that as tight as you can. And then what we're going to do is, it's a submersible pump, so I'm going to just drop it right into the bottom of the hot tub so that it sits upright on the ground. And then I'm going to take the hose and I'm going to run it over the balcony edge so that the water shoots out away from the house. And then I'm going to take the plug end. I'm going to take the plug end and I'm just going to plug it right into the wall outlet here. And the water is running. And there we go. And then it will empty out away from the house so that it doesn't erode the foundations or footings of the so you just leave it stuck here and it'll go out. And when you can leave it, it'll probably take about 15 minutes to empty. And when it's empty, the pump will automatically stop. And so you can come back and check in about 15-20 minutes, and the water will probably be about an inch left in the bottom, because it'll stop when the water no longer is being sucked up into the pump. And then you can unplug it. But in the meantime, because there might be some slime and dirt and a ring, taking a cloth, a clean cloth, and wiping down the sides of the hot tub and even the seats, and pushing all the debris towards the pump so all the debris gets pumped out, gets it cleaner so that when you refill it, you already have a clean tub.